Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy. Hey everyone, ever wondered how you can make your crypto work for you? Today we're diving into the world of crypto staking, focusing specifically on how to do it easily and securely on Kraken. Staking is a fantastic way to earn passive income by simply holding certain cryptocurrencies, and Kraken makes the process incredibly straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll understand what staking is, why Kraken is a great choice, and exactly how to start earning rewards with your digital assets. Let's get started. So, what exactly is crypto staking? Essentially, it's a way to earn rewards by participating in the security and operations of a blockchain. When you stake your crypto, you're locking it up or delegating it to help validate transactions on a proof-of-stake network. Think of it like putting money in a high-yield savings account, but for crypto. Your staked assets help secure the network, and in exchange, you're rewarded with more of that cryptocurrency. It's a key component of many modern blockchains, offering a sustainable way to grow your portfolio. Now, with many exchanges offering staking services, why consider Kraken? Kraken stands out for several compelling reasons. First and foremost, their commitment to security is top tier, giving you peace of mind knowing your assets are protected. Secondly, their platform is incredibly user-friendly, simplifying what might seem like a complex process for newcomers. Lastly, Kraken provides a diverse range of staking options, from popular coins like Ethereum to Polkadot, often with very competitive annual reward percentages. It's a reliable and efficient choice for managing your staked assets. All right, let's get into the practical steps of staking on Kraken. Once you're logged into your account, simply look for the Earn or Staking tab, usually found in the main navigation. Click on it, and you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for staking along with their estimated annual yields. Choose the asset you want to stake, enter the amount, and Kraken will show you a summary of your potential earnings and any specific details, like unbonding periods during which your crypto is locked. After reviewing, confirm your decision, and just like that, you're staking. Before you dive in, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, many staked assets have what's called an unbonding period, which means your crypto will be locked for a set number of days after you initiate an unstake. It's crucial to be aware of this if you need quick access to your funds. Also, remember that staking doesn't remove the price volatility of crypto. The value of your staked asset can still go up or down. Finally, make it a habit to check your staking rewards and consider restaking them, often called compounding, to maximize your passive income. Happy staking! Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.